In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs to Wix website. If you want to organize content neatly and let visitors switch between sections without leaving the page, tabs are a simple and effective solution. We'll walk through adding them in Wix Studio and making them look like they were designed for your site from the start. First, open your project in Wix Studio. At the top left, click the plus icon. This is your main entry point for adding elements to the page. If you don't see it right away, hover near the upper left corner until the Add panel appears. A quick tip: keep an eye on the page structure panel as you add elements, so you always know where the new component lands in the hierarchy. Next, head to Layout Tools and then choose Tabs. This is where Wix groups elements that control how content is arranged, and Tabs is designed specifically for switching content views in a compact space. You'll see a variety of tab presets, each with different visual styles and layouts. Now, select a tabs template that matches the look you're going for and drag it onto your page. As you drag, use the blue alignment guides to position it precisely. Drop it where it logically fits in your layout, such as beneath a heading or alongside a gallery. If you change your mind, you can reposition it at any time by clicking and dragging again. With the tabs on your page, resize and align them so they feel balanced. Grab the edges or corners to adjust the width and height. Aim for a size that keeps the labels readable without crowding your other content. If your design uses a grid or columns, align the tabs with those guides to maintain consistent spacing. Now, customize the style to match your site. Open the design settings for the tabs and adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds so they're consistent with your brand. Update the tab labels to use clear, short titles that tell visitors exactly what they'll find. You can tweak the spacing, borders, and corner radius for a more polished look. Pay attention to hover and selected states too. Set distinct styles for when a tab is active or when the mouse is over it, so users get clear visual feedback. If your site has a dark or light theme, match the contrast so text remains easy to read. Small adjustments here go a long way in making the tabs feel native to your page. And that's all. You've added tabs, positioned them cleanly, and styled them to fit your site's look and feel. Thanks for watching, and keep building with confidence.